Hey, it's Faye. Guess what I have? The BLACKPINK lens collection. They wore some of these lenses on their recent comebacks. Girl, you already... Ah! Girl, you already knows what I was trying to say. We're gonna be trying some of the lenses on together. I forgot to mention that there is a giveaway, so you guys probably want to stick around to the end of this video to see what the giveaway is. Obviously, contact lenses, but you know what I mean. Pretty exciting. These BLACKPINK lenses better transform my attitude. Who do I want to be today? Who am I like just manifesting? French gold for La Lisa. Her eyeballs are just to die for. French gold olive. Okay. Olive green color. They complement brown eyes so freaking beautifully. I'm just snapping them open. It's so pretty. Today we're not gonna struggle. Today's a day for succession. I don't know why this always happens to me on camera. I promise it's not that bad. I think because I'm facing this way. Maybe if I just look at you, she can foresee her truth. It's so pretty. Look at the saturation in my eyes. At the same time, still very natural. That's why I love Olens. They just have very natural contact lens. Even though it's like obviously not my eyeball. Fake. It's fine. So BLACKPINK actually wore these for Pink Venom. How smooth she's improved. I'm telling you, it complements that fall look right now with my makeup as well and the tan skin. I'm just saying, pretty. My own eyeballs are hypnotizing me. Lisa, you have competition. I'm kidding, I'm kidding. I'm definitely sticking to browns, hazels, and greens like such. Highly recommend these. Got one out. I pinched my eyeball. It wasn't the contacts. I just pinched my eyeball because I suck at this. If I busted a blood vessel, I'm gonna pop my ass too. I like made sure to cut my nails short for this so I wouldn't run into any problems. I'm scared. It's on me. It's on me. It's on me. Ignore the redness in my eyes. It's not BLACKPINK, it's me. Okay, next, let's show Jisoo some love and go for the Smoky Gray. Right here, this is Jisoo. Ooh, Gray has like a rim of green in the intersection. Just ignore this eye, it's a little red underneath because I popped my vessel while trying to pull it out. These lenses are so thin and comfortable and just very like gushy for the eyes. In a good way, in a good way. It's like very flexible and soft. It conforms perfectly for all the eyeballs out there. Voila! Always blink the excess water out. It's got the juice. I just don't think I match like light colors anymore. I've changed. I've grown up. Taste that pink venom. Taste that pink venom. It's very light for my eyeballs and I don't think it's the most flattering on my face, but it's still very pretty. If you're into like lighter colors, really pretty in natural lighting though, like I must say. If you look closely, you can obviously tell that I have artificial lenses on, but if I were just to talk to you like this, it wouldn't really cross your mind that I have fake eyeballs. For the most part, they just look very natural. This side's always easier for the damaged eye. Easy! VIVI Choco. This is rosé. Personally, I like the VIVI line a lot. They pop. It's just literally like a blend of brown all around. Fades to a more like nude cream color. This is with the lens, without the lens. And again, I think it looks the most natural on my eyeballs because it's like the closest color with the lens, without the lens. The VIVI Ring Choco color really allows my natural eye color to really show through in the center. The natural blend, the cream color around the ring, beautiful. Let's put the other side in. Highly recommend. I really like the olive ones and these. I'm gonna have to order more. My face found its eyeballs, y'all. Congratulate me, clap, clap. Now for the very fun part, let's pop these babies out and put in the last one. Spanish Gray for Jenny. JJ. When these first came out, Jenny was all over them. And I don't blame her because she's a baddie. What a fatty. Like she got that trunk in the junk or whatever. Oh my god, this eye looks so bad when I do this, like this. Ooh. Ooh. The Spanish line is definitely like an iconic line. Ever so softly. I forget how much I like these. I think that really wraps up this contact lens try on. It's been a while since I've done one of these, but I figured it would just be fun to celebrate Blackpink and all their new comebacks. Oh, I forgot to mention there's a giveaway. I'm hosting a giveaway with Olens on my YouTube channel and my Instagram, and I think we're gonna pick 5 winners. Just leave me your Instagram handle in the comments, and then also go on Instagram, follow your girl back. I'm gonna pick the winners off of the comments down below, and then check your Instagram if you're following the rules. That's all you have to do. I hope you guys have fun entering. Until next time, I'm sending love.
Even if you try